Hey guys, if you're anything like me, you want to save some money, right? So my car is already fully tinted, but I want to go a little darker on my front two windows. I've already applied the tint 2 times prior to this attempt I'm about to do now, and I had an issue. The issue was that everything went fine. First off, everything went fine with my tint, but the only thing is, it would get caught up at the bottom portion of the lip. So this is going to be your lip down in here, and what I had to do is I had to loosen up my bolts, and I'll get to that in a minute. It's windy. And I took this out, and this is what my tints was getting caught up on. When you roll the window down and it like freaking goes in between the freaking netting or whatever, the seal. So it kept getting caught up in the seal. I did it like 3 times. My wife wanted me to give up, but I'm not giving up. I'm a fighter. So what I did was I went to Harbor Freight, brought me a little kit right here, and this I used to remove the seal. So every car is different. Basically with this is a 21 Tahoe. I had to pull back softly on here. There's gonna be some clips behind there. The clips pop loose. Once I got the clips loose, I went underneath the seal with my tool that just blew away, which I'll get after this video. Went underneath with the tool. Here's another one. Underneath with this, got this underneath that seal, and just carefully lifted up, pulled it out. And that's what this guy is. I'm gonna put it back in after I bottom load it. Now bottom loading, there's several videos on YouTube about the bottom loading, because prior to this I was doing the top down, a 2-step process, and it was coming out good, but it kept getting caught up on the seal. So I'm gonna do the bottom load, meaning all it pretty much means is I'm going to load the tint from the bottom, and then squeegee it out from the bottom on up. It doesn't matter what direction you go, from the top, bottom, yada yada yada. But that's me. I'm just gonna just squeegee it out that way without without that lip being right there to block it. Another suggestion, you guys can get you a pre-cut tint if you like. What else? I went to Amazon. I got me a little tint kit. And for a first timer, I didn't do too bad. You got your squeegee coming in. I think it was $15. Amazon, the big squeegee, you get the water out. You got this guy right here, which is good for the edges and getting underneath. And there's a lot of other stuff in there. It comes with the razor to make your tint cuts, and etc. etc. You can get pre-cut tints on Amazon as well for like 60 bucks starting off, or you can cut it yourself. What I did was I cut it myself, and I made an outline of the of my window, and used a cardboard box, and it came out just like the professionals. So hope that helps. Good luck with your adventure. I took the lip out in the front. As you can see, this one in the rear door is not like that. It's already tinted. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and yeah, get busy. Just want to help you guys out. Hope that helps.